Jennifer Aniston and Kim Kardashian are obsessed with it. Korean skincare brands are racing to perfect it. And yes, it really does come from salmon sperm. What am I talking about? Today we're going to dive deep into PDRN, the most controversial yet scientifically backed skincare ingredient of 2025. Let's get into it. I know what you're thinking. Salmon sperm on my face. That's exactly what I thought before I discovered the science behind PDRN, this DNA repair technology that's been used in medical treatments for decades. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down some of the peer-reviewed research and show you the exact Korean products dermatologists recommend. Plus, I'm going to give you a complete application guide and I'll address every concern about safety and effectiveness. So let's separate the science from the hype. PDRN stands for Polydeoxyribonucleotide. That's a long word. So essentially it's purified DNA fragments. Here's the fascinating part of it. Salmon DNA is remarkably similar to human DNA. That's what's making it biocompatible for our skin cell. It doesn't just come to you like in a jar full of sperm. The salmon sperm everyone talks about goes through extensive purification. All the proteins and cellular components are actually removed, leaving only the beneficial DNA fragment. You're not actually rubbing like salmon DNA all over your face or salmon sperm all over your face. It works through two incredible mechanisms. First, it activates the A2A receptors in your skin, which essentially stimulates collagen production and reduces inflammation. It also enhances your skin's DNA repair through what's known as the salvage pathway. Basically, it's giving your cells materials they need to fix themselves faster. When we put the salmon DNA fragments on ourselves, it will actually be compatible with our skin, but it's also different enough to provide unique regenerative benefit. So what has the research found? The studies published out of the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology show a significant improvement in skin regeneration, with participants seeing a 40% improvement in skin texture and a 35% increase in hydration after 8 weeks of use. You're going to have faster recovery from breakouts and minor skin damages. Also, there's a significant scar reduction, with some people showing a 68% improvement after acne scar appearance. So I'm like, how can I needle this into my skin, right? That's the first thing I thought. A lot of dermatologists are saying these results are promising. PDRN works best as part of a comprehensive routine. It's not a miracle cure, but you can work it into what you're already doing and see some remarkable benefit. So what are some of the products that we can purchase? Well, one of the products has all the science there is the VT Cosmetic PDRN Essence 100. And this has 100,000 ppm pure PDRN with ceramides. Definitely the texture is lightweight, it's penetrating, it's a beautiful serum. It's a beautiful serum. There is the Anua's PDR hyaluronic acid capsule serum, pretty clean. I mean, it has a lot of ingredients in it. You could possibly use that while needling, although I will say it does have a lot of ingredients in it. So maybe not, maybe only cosmetic. Medicube also has several PDRN products. They have a PDRN mask. That's how I've tried PDRN. That's what I love. Let me show what it is right there. So this is a gel mask and I do it after cosmetically needling, and I just throw the gel mask on there for a couple hours after I cosmetically needle. And I did this last week twice. Oh my gosh, this was so good. I feel like my skin was almost like rejuvenated. The masks were pretty cheap. I think like 16 bucks on Amazon. I'll put them in the description box. Guys, if you want to try a product and are wondering, is it really like going to make a huge difference? Try it cosmetically needling. I am almost thinking of including the Medicube moisturizer into my daily routine in the morning. We'll see. The application is the key though. You need to use it on clean skin before any heavy moisturizers. Remember, you put your serums on in lightest to thickest. So kind of look at your serum, see how it is. Wait 6 to 8 weeks of consistent use to see any collagen or elastin benefit. Professional PDRN treatments offer higher concentrations of PDRN that'll really kind of jumpstart your skin, but those are about $300 to $500 a piece. I have started incorporating PDRN into my own skincare routine. What I'm really looking for right now is a PDRN concentrate, and I will keep you guys informed on that one. If you are thinking about trying this, try the mask like I did. Try it cosmetically needling at first and see if it makes a difference there. I definitely saw an improvement in my skin. My skin heals so fast and I didn't notice any skin healing benefits from it, but I do have a fast healing skin because I do so much to it. So have you tried any PDRN products? Are you giving it a try? Share your thoughts in the comment box, and remember, consult your dermatologist if you have sensitive skin or specific concerns, and subscribe to me for more science-backed, research-backed content. And I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Glow Up with Shelly.